Gene and cell therapies are transforming how we tackle some of the world's most challenging diseases, including cancer. At Mass General Brigham, the Gene and Cell Therapy Institute harnesses cutting-edge science and clinical expertise to bring life-changing treatments directly to patients.
There are over maybe 5,000 to 6,000 rare diseases that have no cure. Gene and cell therapies directly address rare diseases because these rare diseases, for the most part, are associated with genetic mutations or genetic insufficiencies. The Institute brings together over 500 investigators across Mass General Brigham working on gene and cell therapies. Gene and cell therapies are novel modalities for treatments that utilize genetic material to bring in the therapies to the patients.
I think there's a lot of extremely early research on ways to use gene editing to treat a wider variety of diseases. One of the big differences about Mass General Brigham that separates it from other academic hospitals, we think, and why patients should get care here, is that we're really on the leading edge of gene and cell therapy research. The new therapies are going to first emerge here, and we're really excited about the first in human trials that we're going to be starting over the coming years, supported by the Gene and Cell Therapy Institute.
Advancing gene and cell therapy requires more than just innovation. It demands collaboration at every level. At Mass General Brigham, our multidisciplinary teams work together to transform groundbreaking research into real-world treatments.
Administering a new gene and cell therapy involves a team of interdisciplinary clinicians to not only treat the patient for the particular specialty, but also to monitor their long-term care. It takes a massive effort. In the development of any one gene and cell therapy, it really truly takes a village.
My name is Natalie Artsy. I'm the head of structural nanomedicine at the Gene and Cell Therapy Institute, or the GCTI, at Mass General Brigham. My lab is working on the development and design of biomaterials for medical applications. In particular, we are interested in these tiny materials called nanomaterials that can shuttle drugs and medicines to specific areas in our body. Those materials can protect drugs from early degradation in the bloodstream and can get to specific sites to maximize therapeutic benefit and eliminate side effects. My lab is interested in the design of tissue and cell-responsive materials. Those are materials that can carry drugs wherever they need to go, but make sure that the drugs will be released only based on a particular signal that is specific to a patient or to an underlying pathology in a particular cell in our body. That ensures that we get the drugs to where they need to go. One thing that we've been really interested in is how can we leverage drugs that can manipulate the immune system and reprogram the immune system to generate immune memory. So not only eliminate the disease, but make sure that it's not going to come back.
At Mass General Brigham's Gene and Cell Therapy Institute, success is measured not just in scientific breakthroughs, but in the lives we transform. By addressing the root causes of disease, we're redefining what's possible in medicine.
What really excites me is to be a part of a system that has so much expertise across so many different areas that every now and then you get to see two pieces that can be put together in a way that may not have been seen before.
What motivates me is the ability to make an impact in people's lives, to bring hope to patients and their family by coming up with an idea in the lab, testing it, revising it, talking with clinicians, making sure that this is the right and best solution that they can adopt. That is really profoundly motivating for me.
Together, science and compassion are shaping a world where innovative therapies bring lasting hope and change to millions.